Hi everyone, this is me Shital and today I am excited to walk through two powerful data-driven projects. One dives deep into Netflix content and engagement strategy and the other analyze market movement across major tech players Apple, Google, Microsoft and Netflix. Let's jump right in. Starting with the Netflix analysis, this project focuses on identifying trends in global content user behavior and release strategies. The data shows Netflix has incredibly wide reach with strong user base across North America, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. One half the content now comes from the Netflix originals, and it's working. Those original accounts for more than 55% of total viewing time. Think Stranger Things, Squad Games, the kind of content that keeps viewer coming back. Users are also spending over an hour a day on the platform, and nearly 80% guided by algorithm-based recommendations. That a major note to personalization and how it's shaping the user experience. From a binge drops to live events, Netflix is clearly optimizing its content strategy to retain attention. Now let's shift gears to the stock market inside dashboards. We focus on quarter 2024 performance for a key tech players. Apple came in strong with a $124 billion in revenue, thanks to holiday season demand and steady growth in service. Microsoft reported on 18% jump year over year, with a cloud and AI solution leading the way. Google saw impressive growth too, driven by search ads, YouTube, and cloud with operating income jumping nearly 50%. And then there's Netflix with a 16% subscriber growth and revenue well above expectations. Its stock climbed over 20% after earnings. The dashboard highlighted trading volumes, price, trends, and religion activity. Each chart reveal where investor confidence and user attraction is building. So what does all this mean? These reports don't just show data, they tell a story about where attention is shifting, what's working, and where momentum is building. When we use this insight well, we move smarter, we plan better, and we stay ahead. Thanks for watching.